Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK class, and this is my first video of this week. Children, as you all know, your examination is going to start from 11th of January. And already I have taught the all chapter of GK which are coming in your what fourth class test. So children, what you all have to do now, you all will do the revision. Yes, in this class, in this video, I will make you revise the taught chapter. So what you all are going to do today, in this video you all are going to do the true or false. So here is written, you all have to write T for true and F for false. It means if answer will be correct, there you will write true, and for true you will write here T, and if answer will be wrong, there you will write false, and for false you all have to write here only F. T for true and F for false. Okay children, so let us start. Like first question is here, Mr. Donald Trump is the current president of America. Is it correct children? No. So there is wrong statement, so for that you will write here false for F. Only single F. Why children? Because Mr. Joe Biden is the current president of America. Now Mr. Donald Trump is not a current president of America. He was the 45th president of America, but now what Mr. Joe Biden is the current president of America. So for that here is written wrong statement, so you all have to write here F. Now move to the next. Mr. Nitish Kumar is the current Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. Is it correct? No, this is also not correct. So there you will write false. It means F only. Why children? Because Mr. Nitish Kumar is not a Deputy Chief Minister. He is the what? Chief Minister of Bihar, not a Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. So that's why Mr. Nitish Kumar is the Chief Minister of Bihar, and what Mrs. Renu Devi and Mr. Tarkishore Prasad are the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. So there is written wrong. So for wrong you all have to write F in short. Okay. Now move to the next. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Yes, it is true. For that you will write here T in capital. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Okay children, and who is the President of America? Joe Biden is the current President of America, but here is written Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. So it is correct. So for that you will have to write true T. Understood? Now move to the next. Mr. Sushil Kumar Modi is the Governor of Bihar. False. Children, why? Because what Mr. Fagu Chauhan is the Governor of Bihar, and you all know children, Patna is the capital of Bihar, and you all live in Patna. So there is written the Mr. Sushil Kumar Modi. So here is wrong statement. For that you will write F. Okay, Mr. Fagu Chauhan is the Governor of Bihar, not Mr. Sushil Kumar Modi. Understood children? Now move to the next. Compound noun is made up of two or more than two words. Is it correct? Yes children. You can see by the help of these pictures. This is the picture of butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. And this is the picture of fly. Okay. When you will add together, it will be make butterfly. And butterfly is an beautiful insect. It has different colors. Okay children, so there is two word, butter is different word and fly is different word, but whenever you will add together, it will be formed a new word. So that is called compound noun. Compound noun is made up of two or more than two words, like butter plus fly, butterfly, hand plus bag, handbag. Okay, foot plus ball, football. Okay you all. So this is called the compound noun. So for that you will write, this is the correct statement. So for that you will write T. Understood? Now move to the next. An aquarium is a place where many kinds of wild animals are kept and people come to see them. No, so this is false. So for that you will write here F. Why, children? Here is not an aquarium. What zoo is the place where many kinds of animals are kept and people come to see them. But aquarium is a place. It is also a place. Okay, man-made things. It means it is made by the mans. Okay, but there is kept only fish. So here an aquarium is a place where fish are kept, and what zoo is a place where many kinds of wild animals are kept and people come to see them. Okay, you all children. So there is false. So for that you will write here F. F for false. Understood? Now move to the next. Goa is the largest state of India. As you can see here is largest. No. So here you all have to write false. Why, children? Goa is the smallest state of India, and Goa and its capital name is Panji. Okay, Goa capital name Panji. P-A-N-J-I Panji. P-A-N-J-I Panji is the capital of Goa, and it is the smallest state of India. Okay, and about the largest state, Rajasthan is the largest state of largest state of India, and also children, what? And its capital name is Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur. So don't forget, children, Goa is the smallest state of India. Okay, and Rajasthan is the largest states of India. Goa is the Panji is the capital of Goa, and Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Understood, you all? So here is false. So for that you will write F. Why? Because here is written largest. Here should be the smallest. That's why here is wrong. So for that you all have to write F. Now move to the next. Sickle is used to cut grass. Yes, children. This is the picture of sickle. Okay. What? Sickle is used to cut the grass. So farmer use sickle to cut the grass. Okay. So there it is the correct. So for that you will write here true. So T. In short you will write T. And this is the picture of spade, and spade is used to dig the grounds. And this is the picture of handsaw, and handsaw are the tools of carpenters. Okay, children. So different tools have different work. Okay, like sickle is used to cut the grass, spade is used to dig the ground, and handsaw is used to cut the woods in different sizes. Now move to the next. We use slide to swing up and down. We use slide to swing up and down, children. No. Why? Because slide. What do you know about this, students? A slide is structure with a smooth sloping surface for children to slide down. But here is telling we use slide to swing up and down. No, there should be the seesaw is used to swing up and down. That's why there is false. So why? Because seesaw is swing to move or swing up and down, but here is written slide. So there it is wrong. So for that you will write F. Understood? Now move to the next. About ant. An ant can sleep for 3 years, children. No, ant cannot. What do you know about this, children? A snail can sleep. A snail can sleep 3 years. Can sleep for 3. Children, here is also wrong. For that you all have to write here F. Okay, why? Because ant have ability to carry between 10 and 50 times their own body weight. It never sleep, and also they don't have lung. But here is written an ant can sleep for 3 years. So there it is wrong. There should be written snail. A snail can sleep for 3 years. But here is written ant. That's why here is a wrong statement. For that you all have to write F. Understood? Now move to the next. An ostrich eyes are bigger than its brain. Children, what do you know about an ostrich? Small o should be there. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain, children. Yes, this is the correct. And what do you know about the ostrich, children? An ostrich is the largest bird in the world, and also children, it is the flightless bird. It cannot fly. Okay, so and also it has eyes. Its eyes are bigger than its brain. So there is correct statement. For that you all have to write T. Understood, children? So children, these are the what work that you all have to do in your copy. One more question is here. The Christians go to temple to pray, children? No, children. The Christian go to church to pray. But here is written Christian. That's why here it is written false. So for that you will write F. Why? Because the Christian go to church to pray and the Hindus go to temple to pray. So there is wrong. For that you all have to write F. So children, these are the work which you all have to complete in your copy. Question number 1 to 12. Question number 1 to 12. So I hope children, whatever I have explained in this video, you all have understood very nicely. So at home children, what you all have to do, you all will first watch this video, try to understand, and then after you will complete your work. So for today, once again, have a good day and wonderful day. So once again, thank you for watching this video till end. So bye bye and